Friends, in this lesson we will talk about some word combinations which are similar in meaning, but they are used in different positions, in different situations, and different words are used. How they are used we will see. Now there is a combination toje and takje. Toje and takje. Both these words have English meaning as also. But toje and takje, both of them, they are used in different perspective. Toje means that two people are doing the same thing. I am doing the same thing, I am doing something, and another person is also doing something. Here is used toje. I am a student, my sister is also a student. So here toje. Ya student, I moja sestra toje student. I am a student and my sister is also a student. Here two different persons are there, they are doing the same thing. And takje. Takje is a pronoun where one person is doing two different things. Like I am a student and I also work as a teacher. So it is ya student, I ya takje uchitela. I ya takje uchitelia means I am a student and I am a teacher also. So I am doing two things. Just try to understand, it is very simple. Toje means that two persons are doing the same activity, and takje is used where one person is doing two different things, two different activities. So it can be used like this: ya student, I am a student, ya student, I means and, ya takje uchitelya, and I am a teacher also. So this way toje and takje is used. Another combination is kuda versus gide. Gide. Kuda where? Kider. And gide again where? Almost same. So but in Hindi also it is different. Kuda kidhar and gide kahan, maybe. But again kidhar also is used. Now how kuda and gide are used, you see. Kuda is for movement. That where are you going? Kuda. Where are you going? Kuda. And gide is static. Where is this street? Where is Lenin Street? Gide Lenin Ulitsa. Gide Lenin Ulitsa. Where is Lenin Street? So gide, when you speak the gide, it will be, while speaking the, it will be, D will be pallatized like this. It will come here, gide. So kuda again where? So as I told you, for movement, kuda, where are you going? Kuda. But when you are looking for something static, fixed, it will be gide. So these are the two different aspects of kuda and gide. So if somebody asks you, where are you going? You can say, we are driving to New Square. Here it will be the reply of kuda. We are driving to New Square. And in case gide, where is Lenin Street? Gide Lenin Street. Like this it will be there. So it is very simple, but still these combinations are used in our spoken language, and sometimes they create some confusion also. So we should try to understand. There is nothing much difficult in that. Once again, toje takje. Toje is used that two people are doing the same thing. Two different people are doing the same thing. Tagze is one person is doing two different things. And kuda and gide, kuda is for movement, moving, that where are you going, and gide is something static, where we ask about something, some city, some place, some area, like this. So these are the two combinations. Maybe in later sessions we will have some more such combinations. So friends, thank you very much.